Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. We're back over here building B again. And you're saying, Trey, it's a brown box. What's in a brown box? Other than the fact that there's something in it and it's a brown box. Well, let's take a look. So what this actually is a Dakota digital unit, and this particular one is an HDX series for 63 to 65 Nova or Chevy 2. So my video I wanted to do is we had a customer. Again, it's been a few weeks ago when we put the video on the schedule that he got a Dakota Digital and he opens it up, and of course he's like a kid at Christmas and he's got the gauges out, and then the box got set over here. He didn't take the time to actually go through and everything, so now he's got the gauges sitting over here because again he went on to something else, but now he's well, I don't have any fittings, there's nothing. The point I want to make is take a moment to go through it before I realize we've all got that kid at Christmas moment going on when we get something like this. I'm just as bad. So take the handy dandy, in my case, Uncle Henry, open it up. So what am I going to get here? Well, obviously number one, you got a whole lot of bubble wrap and plastic. So I'm not going to bother unwrapping this, but there's the gauge portion of it. We got that. Next, what do we got? We got the control box, and we got the harness that comes from said control box back over to here. Number three, we also, I apologize, we also have a bunch of different fittings that they supply to tell you, for all your sensors, whatnot that comes with it. You also got a water temp sensor, and you got an oil pressure sensor in there as well. And then we have instructions. So when you open up your Dakota Digital, take a moment. I realize we all want to look at the gauges because that's what we're excited about. We got cool gauges we're going to put in our car, in our hot rod. Yes, look at that first. We're going to do that. Then we're going to set that aside. Then we're going to make sure we got everything else. And then, unless you're going to put it in that moment, what are we going to do, folks? Put it back in the box, please, so you don't lose anything. You don't get it separated. Get it all back in there, as close to the way that they do it. Take some masking tape, box tape, God forbid duct tape, whatever you got. Gorilla Glue. Tape it back up. If you want to write on it, Dakota gauges for my Nova or my truck or whatever, do that too. But put it all back together. That way you don't get it separated and you don't have that box slid over here. And 6 months later, you're looking for it going, well, I didn't get it. And then you call up H&H and you're upset. So take a moment. Go through it all. Get over the whole, oh, man, this is cool looking. Then go through it. Then put it back in the box for me. So that's it. If you're looking for Dakota gauges, H&H is your source.